Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to start off with a brief recap of the analysis that I brought to you in the previous free video. I believe it was on September 21st, was the last time that you, depending on which avenue you're viewing these, but that was the date they were produced. And from then, we've seen a really nice move in several of the propulsion names that I've mentioned. So there's the bar of the 21st. You can see that immediately after and, really into yesterday, just exactly the type of move that you're looking to master with the squeeze. So I hope you're finding these free content videos helpful, as they really have given us some good ideas. As far as Beyond Meat, this is another one that is absolutely still in play. Same idea, looking at this off of the bar from the 21st. So we're ahead a good bit from there, and I think that you see this product continue to head higher. Consolidation in this zone would not be out of the ordinary, I don't think. In a perfect world, we see that this low continues to hold. This was the low of the bar on the Walmart news that hit this week, and ideally, if you pull back down into there, that's an area that's respected as support, and you look for it to move higher from there. Tesla was the other that was part of that video, and from today we've had so much from the quarterly deliveries and then battery day that is now behind us, and really I'm just looking at this off of this last major high. So if you see this point right here, that is, I can't see it off there, but it's about 360. Let's say it is this high right here. And it's just one that I think is important, right? Because it was kind of the end of a parabolic move, sharp move higher. And if you extend that level forward in time, as long as we're staying above that area, I'm going to generally try to see Tesla resolve into higher prices. It didn't close great, but let's see how it treats the 21 EMA on Monday and take it from there. Another 3 quick ones for you to entertain over the next several weeks, which is just to say that so much of this has to be taken within the frame of timing. And if the indexes are having a really rough week, well, then these may underperform. But if we're in more of this kind of status quo, more of things just going higher, I think you entertain things like McDonald's. That was a great bullish close. More of that concept of just coming into the 21 EMA and finding good buyers. So I'm going to be keeping that on my buy side watch list right alongside DE. You've got very similar patterns, very similar ways of thinking in both of them. And then we'll round out the video with UPS, which, obviously want to be careful with a transport sensitive type name. Any weakness down into 162 would be a gift to buy and look to run those calls into the earnings. It makes no guess on what the earnings will actually bring, but it tries to capitalize on direction and implied volatility into the report. And I think that will be a trade worth watching. So I hope that's helpful. You guys have an excellent weekend, and we'll see you at the next free video.